how to buy Coca. Yes, Coca token. So this is their X account. Now make sure to take a look on it. Now this is how to buy it. So it's available in Mix. And now if you want to buy this token, now make sure you log into your account. And now as you can see, make sure you select here Coca. Now from here, enter how much you want to buy, how much of Coca you want to buy. Now this is the USDT that it's available. Now after that, this is the total that you want to buy. Now from here, just click on buy and you will buy the Coca token. Now what is Coca token? So Coca is all-in-one crypto hub, multi-chain, so non-custodial wallet and debit card, real-time crypto to fiat conversion, and cashback rewards. Coca enables payments with custodial Coca card linked to the user's wallet. So the Coca card is issued globally, UK, UAE, APAC, as well, and accepted worldwide. So Coca has no access to the funds, and users retain full control of all times, multi-party competition, and provides additional security for the wallet compared to traditional crypto wallets with private key. So Coca is available on iOS, Android, and Telegram. So if you want to get the app, just click on get started and you will get it on your device. So this is how to buy Coca token. Thanks for watching.